I recently got this duster for my keyboard because, if you're a PC guy or a phone guy or anything like that, you need a duster. And why spend all that money on those big canned airs that don't last long? So this is going to go through and do a lot for me and dust things off. So there's a lot of different areas to go through and connect it. Bare bones, this is what you're looking at. This one has 150,000 RPMs. There are some stronger ones, weaker ones. This one, for the price for me, was what I was interested in. It has to have a brushless motor. Of course, that's always a good thing. We have some other things here. I don't really understand this one, but this is one of the pieces. And then we have this one. Then we have this to go through and clean anything you need, like a little brush. And of course, it comes with a cable. This is folded in half to give you an idea of the length. So I'm guessing maybe 2 feet, but overall, this is pretty cool. So all you need to do is hit the button and it's going to turn on and it's going to show you the lights. I'll show you it here. That's first speed, second, and that's it. So there's 3 speeds and off. You can't hear it because I have AI that takes off sound. So let me go through and record with my phone to kind of give you an idea. I need to find something else to dust because I've dusted other things. So here we go. We got our dust cover here. This is the inside of the case. You can see it's dirty there. Low power, medium, high. Here we are inside. Oh boy, look at that dirty fan. Hold your breath. Okay, you saw that in action. That computer I've had for years and I've never cleaned. And this room became a dust storm. I even had to leave it for a while. Dust everywhere. If your computer's really dirty, don't do what I did. Take it outside. Make sure to turn it off before you do this or open it up or anything like that. But overall, this thing is very solid. It did an amazing job. Start getting warm around the 2-minute mark, but I know it stays just a little bit warm for a while. I mean, if you keep using it maybe like 4 or 5 minutes straight without a break, then it could be a problem, I would think. But overall, wait till it cools down and plug it back in and just give it a break every once in a while. And you're probably ready for a break anyway then. So overall, do I recommend this? Absolutely. I'm glad I got it. I just need to air my room out now. It's all for the videos.